Hello, my name is Julie. You are watching Treasures Made from Yarn. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this Solomon knot scarf. It is very easy to do. It is Solomon knots and double crochet grid. And if you know how to do a Solomon knot, this is very easy. And if you don't know how to do a Solomon knot, I will show you how to do it. This is very versatile. You can use any hook or yarn size you want. So without further ado, let's get started on making this scarf. All right, to make this Solomon grid cake, I'm using a size 4 weight yarn and a size G hook, but the scarf is very versatile. You can use any yarn weight or hook size that you want. You might want to keep it between a 3 and a 4, but you can try it with a 5 or go down even smaller. But for the sake of this video, I'm using a size 4 weight yarn and a size G hook. Okay, we are going to start out by making our putting a slip knot. Make a chain 1. Now we're going to make a Solomon knot. It's where you would draw up a loop and have your loop about 1 inch tall. Yarn over it and draw through the loop. Insert your hook between these 2 loops and the loop you drew up, and yarn over and draw through 2 loops. That is a Solomon knot. Okay, then we're going to chain 1, and we're going to make another Solomon knot, which is you draw up a loop and you make it about 1 inch long or so. Then you yarn over and draw through a loop. Then you put your hook into the loop you just drew up, yarn over and draw through another loop, and yarn over and draw through both loops. And then you chain 1. Then you make another Solomon knot. Like so. Oops. Oh, good job by me. I went on the wrong end. Okay, so you keep doing, okay, I'm going to fix this in a bit, but pretty much you keep doing this until you get the length. If you want to make it this as long as your scarf wants to be, you can probably make it about 60 inches, or you can make this for as how wide you want this. Okay, so I'm going to fix this, and you keep making Solomon knots. You make a Solomon knot. You start with a chain 1, Solomon knot, chain 1, Solomon knot, chain 1, Solomon knot, and you keep doing that, ending with a Solomon knot. Okay, I got this, I don't know if you can see, I got it as about, I'm just making it for the sake of this video. I only did 6 Solomon knots. So, but you would make this foundation as long as you want it. What we do next to get to the next row is that we're going to chain 3. And then we're going to make another Solomon knot. In our chains, in our chain we made, we're going to do a double crochet. And we are going to do another Solomon knot. Then we find our next chain we did from our foundation row, and we're going to do the double crochet. Do another Solomon knot. And we do a double crochet in our chain in the foundation row. And you're just going to keep doing that across, and then you end with a double crochet in that beginning chain we did. Okay, we are at the end of the row, and this next row is what you repeat for the rest of the project. So this is pretty much now a 1 row repeat. So we're going to start by chaining 3. And we turned, make a Solomon knot. And then we're going to double crochet in the double crochet from the previous row. Make a Solomon knot. Double crochet in our double crochet. Make a Solomon knot again, just to show you again slowly. We're drawing up for an inch, running over, drawing a loop, putting our hook between 2 loops in the loop we drew up, turn over and draw through 2 loops, and that's our Solomon knot. So, and then again, double crochet on top of the double crochet. And you repeat that all the way across, and then we would do end with a double crochet in our turning chain. And it's at the end. You just would do a double crochet on top of the turning chain. The chain on top of the chain 3 turning chain. And that is it. You repeat that 1 row we just did until your project is as well, depending on how you did it. If you made your initial foundation chain as long as you want it, you would just keep doing that 1 row until it's as wide as you want it. Or in my case, I made mine as wide as I want it, and I'm going to keep going for as long as I want it, or until I run out of yarn, whichever comes first. So, right, and that is it for this tutorial. Okay, so this is what I have done so far on the scarf. You just keep doing that 1 row until it is long enough. Obviously, I plan on finishing out this ball of yarn. So I'll have this video out. This is another one of those videos I will have out before I even finish the project. So I hope this inspires you to make your own Solomon grid shawl or scarf. And if you did like this video, please give it a like. If you want to see more yarning content like this, please subscribe to my channel. And I want to thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye now.